So, we're going to do the fraction way first. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of write down what I know. My circumference was 25.12 inches. It's broken into 6 equal pieces. Her measurement was 3 full rotations and 2 pieces. So here's how I use the fraction way to do this. I know I have 3 full rotations. That's kind of like the whole number, right? 3. And I know she's got 2 pieces out of 6 pieces total. So 2 6. So I'm going to take 3 and 2 sixths and just multiply that by my circumference. Because that's how many times I went around that circle. I went around the circle 3 and 2 6 times. Now on your calculator you should have a fraction button that says ABC. And that's going to be the easiest one for you to use. So when you do this, again, I don't expect you to do this by hand. This is one you can use your calculator for. You should get 83. Mine showed up in decimal form, which is 0.73. Alright? In fraction form, let me see if I can get my calculator to show up fraction form. Nope, mine won't show up in fraction form. Silly calculator. But you should get 83 and about 3/4 if you put that into, if it came up in fraction form. Right? And that's how long her hallway was, 83.73 inches. And that's all you gotta do with that one. You take your full rotations, and let me get a different color. Need more colors on here. 3 full rotations, that becomes your whole number. The 2 pieces that she measured is your numerator, and the total amount of pieces is your denominator. And then you take that fraction and multiply it by your circumference, and that's it. Now, let's look at decimal way, because I know a lot of you guys don't like fractions at all. That's okay, you don't have to like them. It would be nice if you did, but you don't have to. Decimal form is almost the same way, right? My circumference is still the same, doing the same problem. Still split into 6 pieces. And she measured 3 full rotations and 2 pieces. Now, the only difference for this one is that, again, you're going to use your 3 as your whole number. But to get the decimal, you're going to take the 2 divided by the 6. Okay, so I'm going to put that right in here, 2 divided by 6. That should give me 0.33333333. So 3.333 repeating times my circumference, 25.12, should get basically the exact same answer, 83.73 inches. So fraction and decimal way are very, very similar. The only difference is fraction, you don't have to do like any extra dividing. But with the decimal, to get that decimal piece, you take the number of pieces you measured, divide it by the total number of pieces there are. And that will give you your decimal piece. And as usual, your number of full rotations just becomes your whole number. Okay? Alright, I'm running out of time because I want to keep these things under 10 minutes. So see the next video for the third way to do this.